ना हाथ एक अस्त्र हो, ना अन्न वीर वस्त्र हो। हटो नहीं, डरो नहीं, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो।
रहे समक्ष हिम शिखर, तुम्हारा प्रण उठे निखर। भले ही जाए जन बिखर, रुको नहीं, झुको नहीं, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो।
घटा गिरी अटूट हो, अधर्म में काल कूट हो, वही सुधा का घूट हो। जियो चलो, मरे चलो, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो।
गगन उगलता आग हो, छिड़ा मरण का राग हो, लहू के अपना फाग हो। रुको अड़ो वहीं, गड़ो वहीं, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो।
चलो नई मिसाल हो, जलो नई मशाल हो, बढ़ो नया कमाल हो। झुको नहीं, रुको नहीं, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो।
अशेष रक्त तोल दो, स्वतंत्रता का मूल दो, कड़ी युगों की खोल दो। डरो नहीं, मरो नहीं, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो।
धन्यवाद। वे
A very good morning to all of you. When our teacher told us that we have to present an assembly on Republic Day, she gave us a task. She said, during the winter holidays, do a survey on people's views about Republic Day.
It was very interesting. Let us show you what we have found out.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, what is your name and what do you do?
My name is Arush Dua and I am a college student.
Sir, may I ask you that how do you celebrate Republic Day?
Let me see. Independence Day is a day when India got separated from Pakistan, and Republic Day is all about our constitution coming into being. I know the difference between Independence Day and Republic Day. I have learned way back in school.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, what do you do? I work in an office. What does Republic Day mean to you, ma'am? Why do you ask? Ma'am, we are doing a project and we're supposed to know about Republic Day. Okay, I will tell you. Republic Day is an important day for every Indian. On this day, the Indian Constitution was adopted. This was the day when our rights and duties were brought to its concrete form. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome. Excuse me, sir. What do you do, sir?
I am a college student.
Which college do you study, sir?
I study in Khalsa College.
What are your thoughts on Republic Day, sir?
Republic Day is a national festival, a holiday. But this year it's on a Sunday. एक छुट्टी गई यार.
बेटा, बोलो कहाँ जाना है?
मुझे कहीं जाना नहीं है भैया, बस आपसे 2 मिनट बात करनी है. मैं हूँ गगन, आप क्या काम करते हैं?
मैं एक ऑटो रिक्शा चलाता हूँ और मेरा नाम है राम प्रकाश।
अच्छा, क्या आप जानते हैं रिपब्लिक डे में क्या होता है?
अरे हमारे लिए क्या रिपब्लिक डे और क्या इंडिपेंडेंस डे, सब एक समान। कुछ लोग जाते हैं राजपथ पर परेड देखने, बहुत सिक्योरिटी होती है भैया।
अच्छा, क्या आपने कभी परेड देखा है?
नहीं नहीं बाबा, कौन जाए उधर, कहाँ ना बहुत सिक्योरिटी होती है। चलो, धंधे का टाइम है।
शुक्रिया भैया।
धन्यवाद।
You are talking to me?
Yes, so I am doing a survey.
Yes.
I want to ask some questions.
Okay.
So what is your name?
My name is Yash.
So where are you going?
I am an IT professional and I am going to office.
So what does Republic Day mean to you?
I am very clear as to why Republic Day is being celebrated in India. It is on this day many things like fundamental rights, preamble, duties of union and state were all put together in a clear-cut manner. I also know that Dr. Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee of the Constitution. People like Sajdanand Sinha and K.M. Munshi have put in a lot of work for the Constitution.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
So what did you found out about Republic Day, Bhavya?
Republic Day marks two important moments in the history of India. First, to celebrate the day when our India became a republic on
26 January 1950. Second, to commemorate the day when the Constitution of India was officially enforced.
On the same day, Hindi was declared as the official language of the country in 1965.
To mark this occasion, every year a grand parade is held in Delhi. From the Raisina Hill near Rashtrapati Bhavan, along the Rajpath past the India Gate and onto the historic Red Fort. Different regiments of Army, Navy and Air Force march in all their finery and official decorations. The President of India, who is Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, takes the salute.
So basically, Bhavya, what you're saying is that we, the citizens of India, are free and have rights and responsibilities. What do you say, Bhavya?
Yes, you are right, Kiran.
But we are children. What do we know about rights and responsibilities? Don't burden us more than we already are. Our school bags are heavy now.
Let us see what happens during break time. On the right, we have the ice cream parlor. And on the left, we have the canteen.
It is our right to go to the canteen.
But don't you think you need to be responsible to make a queue so the vendor can attend to each one?
Do you think we should litter our schools, roads, parks or public places like this?
No, it is our responsibility from the very beginning, every day, every moment, not to litter.
If each one of us picks up our own garbage, the world will certainly be a better place.
In our school, we have so many things like furniture, swings, smart boards, plants. They are all for us to use. What do you think, Kiran?
Yes, you are right, Bhavya.
We need to respect public properties. It is our responsibility to use it wisely and respect it. Republic Day is a good time to recall our fundamental rights and realize our responsibilities towards our country.
Right to equality. All citizens are equal before the law. There will be no discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. There will be equality of opportunity for every citizen.
Right to freedom of speech and expression. We as citizens of India have right to freedom of speech and expression. We can assemble, form associations, unions or cooperatives in a peaceful manner. We are free to practice any profession or occupation.
Fight against exploitation prohibits all types of child labor, forced labor and human trafficking.
Right to freedom of religion. The Indian state is secular. All citizens are free to practice or preach their religion. However, we cannot disrespect other religions.
Cultural and educational rights. We, the citizens of India, have a right to preserve our culture, language or script. Minorities have the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice.
Right to constitutional remedies. If citizens feel that they have been wronged by an individual, group or the state, they can go to the courts of law to seek justice.
Well, that was a quick overview of our fundamental rights as citizens of the great nation, India.
We, the children of class 4, wish you a very, very happy Republic Day.
Let us take pride in being Indians and make our nation truly the greatest. Jai Hind!